Isa din yan sa kinaano ko, nalulungkot ako. Grupo Fermi Buscalo. Wala na, hindi na ko maintindihan. I don't understand na, sorry. Sa aking pag-iisa. Desde la cantina. Ano daw? Ano daw yun? Okay. Okay na lang. Hindi ko na maintindihan. Sa aking pag-iisa, pangarap ka sa tuwina, lagi kang nasa isip sinta. 3 viewers. Meow. Oh. My music, my choice. I'm a dog. I'm not meow. You want me to bark? Charot. Suscrito. Ano daw? Ano daw? What is suscrito, Cres Hernandez? I don't understand. I'm sorry. I need to Google it, but I don't have Google. I don't have other cell phone to use. So, I need to Google it first, but I don't have cell phone. I only have one cell phone. Chris Hernandez, you can Google and send to me the translation in English. Just like that. I had a hard time pala, understanding your language. I don't know, it's that correct? It meant subscribe. Okay, Helda, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Helda Cordero from where are you from, Helda Cordero? I forgot. You are like, it's been a while. You don't visit my live stream, Helda. From the US, I think. Helda Cordero, thank you. Okay. Suscrito, it means subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm just having fun and have fun ba in here in my live stream, because in real life I don't have someone to talk to. My companion always a dog every day. So I need to make live stream even I don't have viewers. Kanta, please. You make me sing? You want me to sing? Oh my goodness. I don't have karaoke or like speaker. My speaker is broken. So I need to buy another one, but right now I don't have Sayang